Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, I will show you how to assess inter-rater reliability using the intra-class correlation coefficient in SPSS. So basically, inter-rater reliability tells us how consistently two or more raters evaluate the same subjects or cases. For example, if three experts independently rate the performance of the same participants, inter-rater reliability can help us determine how strongly those ratings agree. So we will go to analyze and then click on scale and reliability analysis. So we have 5 survey items of psychological green climate. So we will select these items and then drop in item section. Then we will click on statistics and I need item, descriptives for item and scale, summaries for means because this is very important to evaluate the means of items and overall mean. Then we will click on inter-item correlations. We don't need covariance. So now we will click the most important thing is intra-class correlation coefficient, and the most used method is two-way mixed method because there are three methods: one-way random, two-way random, but the most usable is two-way mixed method with consistency because we are going to test the internal consistency between the item. So this is good to test the intra-class correlation coefficient. So now we'll click on continue and then click on X. So we'll get the results. Now we can see here the overall reliability is 0.743, which is higher than 0.7. So you can see the reliability of psychological green climate scale is higher than 0.7. So the overall reliability is good for this measurement scale. Okay, so next we see the item statistics. You can see the mean of each survey item standard deviation because there are total 412 sample size. You can see the item PGC 2 has the higher mean than the other survey items. So we go to next. And next we can see here we need to remove the okay, so now we can handle the other thing. Okay, now we can see here the inter-item correlation matrix. So this is basically tells the correlation between the survey items. You can see there is a perfect correlation between the same item PGC1 and PGC1. However, we need to see if there is a good correlation between the item 1 with other items. So we can see here there is a correlation 0.264 between PGC1 and PGC2, which is very low correlation. On the other hand, there is also very low correlation between PGC1 and PGC3. There is also very low correlation between PGC4 and 1. On the other hand, we can see there is also very low correlation between PGC5 and PGC1. So as well we can see it first. Okay, so other summary item statistics, SPSS also delivered the item means as 4.157, minimum value 3.976, maximum value 4.4248, range 0.272, minimum maximum difference varies 0.014 in number of items 5. This is overall mean for 5 items, well 20.78, variance 11.596, standard deviation 3.405 in number of items 5. Okay, so now the most important thing is intra-class correlation coefficient, which shows whether there is the correlation between the survey items or not. So in this way, we will test the inter-rater reliability between the survey questions. So you can see average measures has good intra-class correlation, which is 0.743, which is higher than 0.7. So you can see here this value is higher than 0.7. So it means the value of average measures intra-class correlation is 7.743, which is higher than 0.7. So we can say there is a good inter-rater reliability between the survey items. Okay, so you can also see the other things like confidence interval. There is lower bound and upper bound. So you can see there is a minor difference between lower and upper bound. So it means this confidence interval also support the goodness of inter-rater reliability. On the other hand, we can see also that there is a significant level because the p-value is 0.000, which is lower than the value of 0.05. So it means this is also significant. So we can simply say that there is a good inter-rater reliability among the survey items of a measurement scale. So if you found my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so you can get the next video easily. Thank you very much.